Okay, so today I'm going to do a product review of the HS175D drone. Let's go through what all comes with it real quick, which is this carrying case, which is really nice. Yeah, really nice. I have two drones now, both with carrying cases, and I don't really know how else you do it without it, without damaging them somehow or another. It's got a nice little handle right there. Comes with two chargers, and then there is there's a little repair kit in here as well. Screwdriver, propellers, that kind of thing. Two batteries. So there's actually one in here, and then there's one right there. Charger for the remote control. Remote control is pretty compact. And then it just opens up like this, which is really nice. Saves space, which is pretty convenient. So yeah, phone goes right in here. Really nice. Joysticks work really nicely so far. And it's got a little, that's where the charging port goes, underneath this little arm here. So you can charge that. Doesn't need batteries, or you don't need to replace the batteries. That's nice that it folds up nicely like that. And the drone itself actually weighs, I've got the Holystone 165, and this one is significantly heavier, but it's got significant more flight time, and just all around more of a substantial drone, which is really nice to see the upgrade like that. So yeah, so that's kind of, here's the drone. I've flown it quite a bit so far. Got a little damage on the propellers a little bit, not a big deal I don't think. They're not chipped, so I don't think that's going to be that big of a deal. Got lights to indicate the battery level, how much battery you have left. This one, the camera does go from straight parallel with the ground like that to straight down towards the ground, which is kind of nice. That's a nice upgrade for sure. Pretty convenient. It's a cool looking drone too. Second drone, the first one worked great, so I decided to upgrade a little bit more to the 175, and so far I like it a lot. It's pretty convenient, little drone to fly around. This is another upgrade, I guess you could say, from the 165 to the 175. That would be that you have to probably use two hands to do this, but there it goes. There's a button right here, so you press that button and this little latch goes down. So I don't think there was I didn't read any reviews that the 165 batteries are falling out, but that's just extra precaution, I guess, which is kind of nice to see. Yeah, this one, like I said, the camera was upgraded. The picture on this one is actually pretty good compared to the 165. And then the other really nice feature that they did was they made the camera tilt, so you can tilt it from your remote control. That's really convenient. It also has a stabilizing feature, which the other one did not, or I should say it stabilizes better than the other one. So that's kind of nice. I did notice a little bit more stability when flying, which is kind of nice. Overall, a really nice drone. If I purchased it again, I would. If I had to purchase it again, I would for sure. The price was nice for what you're getting, which is a nice beginner drone. I would definitely recommend learning on something like this one, or the 165 even. This one, I would probably recommend this one over the 165, just because of the few better features about it that I've already mentioned. it is really nice. It gives you a better picture of what a nice drone is like. Definitely recommend one of these guys, or this one, I should say. Overall, a really nice drone. Yeah, I mean, it's 175D, I believe, Holy Stone. Really nice drone. And pick yourself up one if you're thinking about a drone. And yeah, thanks for watching.